HAMZA 6x6 IFV in 2026. Pakistan's armored game-changer goes high-tech. What if the next big name in battlefield innovation doesn't come from the US, China, or Russia, but from Pakistan? In 2026, the HAMZA 6x6 infantry fighting vehicle has undergone a stunning transformation, placing Pakistan firmly on the map of modern mechanized warfare. No longer just a troop carrier, the HAMZA has evolved into a lethal AI-assisted battlefield hunter, fast, modular, and deadly. Built originally for speed and urban combat flexibility, the 2026 upgrade delivers a new generation of firepower and battlefield awareness. Key upgrades in HAMZA 6x6 IFV 2026. Autonomous target tracking system with AI-enhanced fire correction. Unmanned remote weapon station (RWS), featuring a 30mm autocannon and coaxial 7.62mm MG. Loitering drone integration for extended battlefield surveillance. Active protection system (APS) to intercept RPGs and ATGMs. New modular composite armor that's lighter yet tougher. Hybrid diesel-electric powertrain for reduced thermal signature and longer endurance. Whether patrolling volatile border zones or engaging in high-speed strikes in urban theaters, the HAMZA 6x6 is now designed to link directly with drones, UAVs, and command posts, creating a real-time networked force. Its six-wheel independent suspension system offers exceptional mobility across deserts, hills, and ruined cities, while improved crew ergonomics ensure long-haul operational effectiveness. The HAMZA 6x6 IFV 2026 is no longer just a support vehicle, it's a force multiplier. In a battlefield dominated by information, speed, and precision, Pakistan's HAMZA doesn't just follow the evolution, it drives it.